Assalamu alaikum, my dear beloved student. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Unit 7, Reading, Word Meaning. I repeat, our today's topic is Unit 7, Reading and Word Meaning. Dear students, look at board. It is our lecture 3, SW number 2. I repeat, it is our lecture 3, SW number 2 on our annual examination syllabus. So, give your attention. All of you open your buzzword book, page number 72 from our buzzword book, from this book. So, from our buzzword book, we will start our reading. Page number 72. So, all of you open your buzzword book, page number 72. Rip Van Winkle was a simple, good man and a kind neighbor. But he was also very lazy. So, his wife sometimes got angry with him. Then he would go away into the mountains to hide from her. So, this sentence that to avoid her wife for a short time, he went to the mountain to hide from her. One day Reeve and his dog all climbed to the highest part of the mountains, that the last part of the mountains. They were tired. Look, they were tired. So they lay down on the green grass to rest. Here it is seen that since they were tired, they lay down on the green grass to take a rest. When Reeve woke up, he heard a voice calling him, Rip Van Winkle, come here, come and help me. That means somebody are calling him or were calling him to help him. He turned around and saw a short old man. So look, what did he see? He turned around and saw a short old man. He was carrying a heavy barrel. So look at the word heavy barrel. Look at the word meaning of heavy barrel here. A container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. I repeat, a container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. So in the picture of our book, page number 72, so look here. So look at the heavy barrels. Can you see, dear students? Yes, it is heavy barrels. He is carrying it, or he was carrying it, heavy barrel on his shoulder. Reeve agreed to carry the barrel to a valley. Look at the word meaning of valley. A low land between hills. Valley means the low land between hills. In the mountains. There he found a group of men playing a game. So look at the picture again. So in the valley we see that some people were playing. I hope that you are seeing this picture. There he found a group of men playing a game. They looked so strange. So look at, they looked so strange, thought Reeve. They have such short legs and long beards. Short legs and long beards. In the picture you will see this, short legs and long beards, and they are wearing strange clothes. Reeve was afraid. The old man asked Reeve to pour the pink water from the barrel into the man's glasses. So look at the word, look at the sentences. The old man asked Reeve to pour the pink water from the barrel into the man's glasses. The men drank the water and went back to their game. That means they were playing, or they were in their game. Reeve too drank a lot of pink water. So look at the sentence. Reeve too drank a lot of pink water. He felt very sleepy. How was he? He felt very sleepy. He was very sleepy here. Soon he fell into a deep sleep. So look at the picture number 2 from your book, page number 73. We see that Reeve was in a Reef was in a deep sleep. Okay. When he woke up, he was alone. He rubbed his eyes. It was a bright, sunny morning. Look at the day. It was a bright, sunny morning. He called out to his dog, Wolf, Wolf, but no dog came. Reef felt very weak and hungry. So look at this sentence. Reef felt very weak and hungry. He started walking towards his village. So look, he started walking towards his village. In the third picture, we see that Reef was walking here. Reef was walking towards his village. Walking towards his village, he entered the village. The people stared at him because everybody saw him, because he looked a little bit different, and the dogs began barking at him. In the third picture, we see again, if we see that people stared at him and the dog was barking at him because he looked a little bit different and little bit funny also. He looks funny, the children said. He has a dirty grey beard and his clothes are torn. The whole village looked different. His house had fallen down. Just then a young woman peeped in through the crowd. So look at the word peeped. Just then a young woman peeped in through the crowd. Look at the word meaning peeped in. Could be seen but not fully. Peeped in means could be seen but not fully. Yes, Reef looked at her. She looked like his wife. What is your father's name or yours name? Reef asked her. Judith. She replied, and your father's name? Oh, poor man. His name was Reef Van Winkle. 20 years ago, so look at this sentence, it is surprising. 20 years ago, he went away from home with his gun and his dog. He never came back. She said, oh my dear, I am your father, cried Reef. He hugged his daughter. Everyone was amazed. Amazed means very surprised. Amazed means very surprised. Everyone was amazed. They laughed and said, welcome home again. Never where have you been these 20 long years? Only Reef knew the answer. He had asleep in the mountains for 20 years. Dear students, now we will go to our word meaning session. That means our reading session is done. We will go to our word meaning. Next page. Only 3 word meanings I have given you. So look at the first one. Barrel, a container made of wood or metal used for storing liquids. Number 2, valley, a low land between hills. Valley means a low land between hills. Peeped in, could be seen but not fully. These 3 are word meaning. Now look, I have given your SW. Your SW is your 3 word meaning, and this SW will be your number 2 SW. Dear students, now I hope that you have understood our reading session and word meaning. Keep practicing the word meaning and keep writing also. Whenever you will write, it will develop you much to understand the topic. And listen, without submitting your SW, you cannot get your mark. That means your SW mark, your CT mark, SBA mark. So there is no alternative to submit your SW. Whenever you will submit your SW in your SW copy on every Sunday, you will get your diary mark, CT mark and SBA mark. And abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.